Good afternoon, everyone. Eric from Advantage Remarketing here in front of a real nice 2014 Von Hool TX45 ADA. Unit is Detroit Allison, 481,700 miles, and in really good condition. The painter left some paper on the rear, but body is in very, very good shape. Tires, rotors, brakes, good as well. Unit is Detroit Allison. Again, it is lift equipped, Braun lift. It is operational. You'll have to excuse us. We've been walking inside of and out of it, so it's a little muddy on the entrance well. So we'll get that mopped up. Otherwise, it's very good shape. Unit is a 57 passenger, 3-point seat belts, 110 outlets. Interior is in very good shape. This is a former Dadco bus, so it had a very good maintenance program. If you're interested, give me a call, 866-675-2271, extension 500. I hope your day is going well.